Hey guys, Stephanie here. So in this video, we're going to be making some assemblage earrings using the Tim Holtz Assemblage pieces, the link pieces. Now, if you have not seen the video where I made this bracelet, I will link it at the very end of this video. You will see how I made this really pretty bracelet. So I just wanted to make some earrings kind of as a companion pair. Okay, and then I also made the necklace. I also made a necklace out of one of these pieces. So I will also link that at the very end of the video, okay? So you get to check out all of the pieces that I made using the Tim Holtz Assemblage pieces as the sort of foundation to what it is we're doing. Now, because there are such limited pieces in this collection, I did have to add some pieces from other lines in this. But the basic stuff is pretty much going to be just the Tim Holtz assemblage, okay? So I may add, some other little pieces, some little dangles that I have. I might add, obviously ear wires. I pulled out a few pairs of ear wires, the lever backs, and then I got the fish hook ear wires. So I had to pull those out. And of course, jump rings, which I have right here. I'm going to use some jump rings, as well as a few other things. Maybe I have a bunch of stuff over here that I pulled out we may or may not use, okay? But I'm going to try to keep this simple and easy, so it's something that anyone can do. Now, they sell these at Joann's only, Joann's fabric stores only. It's exclusively at Joann's. It's the only place you can find the assemblage pieces. They don't sell them at any other craft store. And you can also order online and they will ship it to you. So if you don't have a Joann's in your area, you can go online and have it shipped to you, okay? So this is his collection from Joann's. Now, this collection's been around for a while. So a lot of jewelry artists don't know about Tim Holtz. Those of us who do jewelry and other things like mixed media and journaling and art journaling and things like that, we have known about Tim Holtz for years. But he does make beautiful pieces for jewelry making as well. So if you happen to be in a Joann's, pop in the jewelry section and see if you can find some of these beautiful pieces. I'm not affiliated. I'm just a fan. So yeah, that's just that. Okay. So again, you can get this exclusively at Joann's Fabrics. Okay. So you can go online, you can Google it, you can look it up. Okay. Now I pulled out these because I'm not sure exactly what pieces I'm going to use, but we'll see. I love these because I like the fact that they can go with the bracelet that we made. But then again, I'm thinking, oh, maybe I'll make some earrings. I don't know. We don't have to be matchy-matchy. We don't have to be matchy-matchy at all. And again, I only have limited amount of stuff to use. So I'm just going to make a really cute little easy pair. And that's going to be that, okay? So I'm really inclined to use this one. I really like this piece. So I have two of these. Okay. So I may cut those off and lay those out and see how I like them. And then, I don't know, if I have enough stuff, I might make these as well. So we'll see. Okay. So I'll put these aside for now. So this is what we're going to be working on here. All right. So let's clip these off. All right. All right. So got that. Put those aside. So in case we want to use them, we can. Now I like these. I like that they're nice and small. Okay. Very, very pretty. Nice and small. I think they make really pretty earrings. They actually just connector links, really, is what they are. You can use these. You don't have to use these for earrings. You can use them in necklaces, bracelets, earrings. So I'm going to attempt to make some earrings out of these. Okay. All right. Okay, so before I get started really quick, I just want to introduce myself. I am Stephanie Garrett. I am a jewelry artist as well as a mixed media artist. I do mixed media and art journaling and occasionally some junk journaling on my channel. So if this is your first time coming across a video of mine, I do have a creative channel. So if you happen to be interested in other things other than jewelry making, I have lots of videos on my channel for you to check it out. I'm like an all-in-one sort of artist. All-in-one crafter. I occasionally make cards too. I love making cards. But mixed media is sort of where my heart is, even with the jewelry. I love doing mixed media jewelry. I love doing mixed media art, all that kind of stuff. So definitely pop on my channel if you're just watching this video and take a look at some videos from the past that I have. I have a whole latest playlist of things that I've been doing. So you might want to check that out, okay? So now let's go ahead and get on with this. I think I might just leave the jump ring on here. Maybe I'll see, because I like the lever back earring because it kind of adds something to that. So we like that. So we like the lever backs. But then again, I got the fish hooks because you never know. All right, so I'm going to pull some of these little dangles apart because that's kind of how I made the necklace. And I just wanted it, like I said, to keep it simple and easy and carefree. You know, nothing too extravagant. These are so pretty, right? This one's so pretty. I got this at Joann's too. All right, so very, very cute. So I might pull some pieces out of here apart. But I do have something like this. These are metal gallery pieces. And I got these at Hobby Lobby. Okay, so I'm going to have a few things out. Let me see. I have these. These are cool little connectors. So I don't know. See, those will look really cool. So we'll see. All right, now let me go ahead and pull some of this stuff off of here. And I'm going to lay it out. And then we will just lay it out and see how we like it. Okay, so far we love. Very simple, easy. And yeah, I will pull some of these off of here. Okay guys, so what I'm doing here, I'm just pulling these off and I'm just trying to decide if I want to use the gold jump rings or the brass jump rings. I mean, either or, it looks good either way because I used the gold ones on the necklace and it turned out really cute. But I'm thinking, you know, I don't know. I guess it's a personal choice, right? It's just a personal choice. So I'm pulling these off, these little pieces, these little dangle pieces, and kind of have them like that. Now, these might be a tad on the long side, so if you have any rhinestone, this is rhinestone by the way, you can just cut them down. So say if you say, oh, that's too long, you can just cut them down. Use your flesh cutters and just cut them down wherever you want. You can make one longer, one shorter, which actually be kind of cute now that I think about it. But yeah, I don't know. I'm liking the gold. I think I like it gold, guys. I don't know. The gold kind of adds something to it. Maybe, huh? Because see the brass, this is the brass. I don't know, it looks a little flat. So we're going to stick with the gold. Because this rhinestone this is like a very similar color to the stones. So see, that's very similar. I don't know if you can even see that. Watch this video on full screen so you can get the full details of this. But these stones are very similar to the stones in here. So I think the gold might work better just for what we're doing right now. So I'm just going to add those. I'm just laying it out to see if I like it. And then once I decide to make it, I will go ahead and attach the pieces. Okay. But I will probably just leave this on here, this jump ring on here, because it flows with the ear wires. So, but I'm trying to decide if I want these, because these are very different. I mean, that's cute. Gosh, you know what? The only way we're going to see y'all is to cut this off of here. Let's cut it off. Okay. All right, so let's cut that. Oh, that's pretty. Don't we love? I love it. Okay. Yep, we using those. So here we go. Easy breezy, lemon squeezy. I said that in my last video. That's what my son always likes to say. But these are cute. Oh, that's cute. Now, if you really were inclined, you could add one of your little, one of these to the top. But I think that will make them really long. Okay, so let's attach these. And then if we need anything else up here, we will do that. Okay. So let's put these jump rings away. We will save those. These are 6mm heavy gauge, by the way. The brass color. In case anybody wanted to know. I always use heavy gauge for the most part. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is just take the jump rings that was on here, which are these. Okay, and I'm just going to attach the rhinestone. And this is what the rhinestone looks like. Wait, hold on. That's what the rhinestone looks like. With the little eyelet there, the little piece there, which you put the jump ring in. So yeah, I'm just going to attach that to this because we don't want these to be too heavy because they are going into our ears. So we don't want these to be too heavy. So I'm trying to keep it as light as possible. All right, so we're just going to close up our jump rings. All right, so we have that attached. It's very pretty already. Now you can add beads to this. You can, you know, wire wrap some beads and add it to this. You can add charms. You can do whatever you want. Tassels. I just thought this would be very pretty and elegant with the rhinestones. Kind of keep with the theme, flow with the theme. I kind of had that in my mind. So I'm going to leave this jump ring on here because it came with that. So we can mix and match. We don't have to be matchy-matchy. Now, if you wanted to match, you could. You know, use whatever you like, whatever you have. You work with what you have. You don't have to have these to make these. You can use your own stash. Okay, so I'm going to add this piece. So pretty. So I'm just going to put it right here and attach it. All right. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, so pretty. And then we're going to add this other little piece on the end. Gorgeous. Look at that. So beautiful, right? Beautiful, beautiful. And I like that this one is long, a little longer than the other. Look at how pretty that is. That's a pretty earring. So pretty, y'all. Oh, and it's still nice and light. I don't know if I'd add anything else to it. I'm just going to see. Because if you add one of these, it might make it a little heavy. So I open these. And I just want to see. Let me see. I got to straighten it out. It's like wire wrapped. See, it's a little wire wrapped. It was just some spacers that they wire wrapped. You could do this on your own. You know, put the pin through there and wire wrap each end. So I like that though. Ooh, that's cute. Ooh, y'all, that's so cute. Don't we love? You know what? I will put it on here. And if it's too heavy, I will take it off. It's okay. So let me finish this earring here. And then we will test drive whether or not we want this on here, okay? Because if it's too heavy, no. So we're going to save our little bits for other projects. You know, I love these. So I'm going to save those for some other stuff. And then I'm just going to attach these. All right, guys. So I attached these two pieces already. I'm just going to attach this last little piece. And we'll be done with these. Attaching our dangles. Our rhinestone dangles. Okay, so I just left the jump rings on here that came on there because I thought it looked cool and add something really fun to it. First I gotta open this jump ring, y'all. It's a little not open as much. Okay, let's do that and close it back. Rock it back and forth and close it back. I love these little rhinestone dangles. They're so cute. Alright guys, so this piece is done as well. Very pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. They look expensive too. Which, you know, is kind of my aesthetic. I like for pieces to look expensive even though they're not. Yeah, that's kind of my aesthetic. So, very pretty. We love. Wow, they look really expensive. Okay, very cute. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, now, let me add this, y'all, because we will have to, first of all, let's take this off. We will have to see, how this does. I wish I could just not open, like if I wish this was open on the end. But okay, we'll try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay. They may be a little on the long side. Okay, that's pretty. Oh, now let's see how that looks. That's pretty. That's very pretty. Wait. Very pretty. Right? Let's lay it down. That's how it looks. So it may be a tad on the long side. And then if we put our lever back on here. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. I like that. So we're going to have to use a jump ring to do that. And I will try these on and let you know. Because I know some people don't like them long. So if you don't like them long, if you want to make something similar, just don't put the spacers on there. That's all. Yeah, just don't put that on there. You can just leave it, attach your ear wire to your piece, and then that's it. All right, so that's it. That's done. Look at that. That is pretty. That is super pretty, y'all. Super pretty. Wow. Okay, let me try these on. And I'm going to let you know if it's too heavy and too long. Okay, guys, so it is a little long. So what I think I'm going to do is, I can probably cut these down, but I don't want to do that because I like the length of these. So I'm probably just going to take this off. But I like it. It's just really long. Like it touches your shoulder long. But it's so pretty like that. So we're going to take it off. It won't let me be great. I can make another... Look, clearly I can just put a pin because I have some pins and some more spaces and maybe take one of these out. One of the little spaces out and just have one in there. You could do something like that. It'll take the length down just a little bit. But I thought, well, it's okay, So, all right. So we will take it off. I may add a spacer, for the next pair I make. Because you can just use one, But I'm trying to just use what's in front of me. That's what I mean. So, because we are working with limited supplies, that's what I'm trying to do. So, all right. Clearly, I have some head pins and some eye pins and, all that stuff. I can definitely make another spacer if I want it. All right. So now we're just going to put the lever back ear piece on here. And then voila, we're done. See, very cute, very easy. So let's put that one on here. All right, guys, so we're done with these. I didn't want to do anything too complicated with these because I just wanted to, like I said, work with the minimal supplies with the assemblage pieces and just some additional pieces that I had, and it came out great. So that's the purpose of the video. Now, when you make yours, you can make them as elaborate as you want. You can add as much as you want or whatever. I just didn't want to do that. I wanted to keep them simple but elegant and simple, elegant, and sophisticated, and fabulous. That's what I was going for. And I think I achieved that with these. And I love them. They're very pretty. All right, guys. So these are done. And I hope you enjoyed this video. We have our pair of beautiful assemblage pieces here. I'm going to post these on my Instagram at Stephanie Garrett Creative. So definitely give me a follow over there. All right. Very pretty. So beautiful. Like so beautiful. They look expensive. Oh. Yeah, they look really, really nice. So I love how these turned out. Okay, so definitely if you have any questions or comments, leave them in below and I'll answer them and get back to you. And give me a follow on my other social media platforms. I'm Stephanie Garrett Creative on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I am Stephanie Garrett Designs over on Facebook and Instagram for my jewelry. Okay, so... And then check the Etsy shops because I have lots of stuff in my Etsy shops, okay? Both Etsy shops. The links will be down in the description, all right? All right, guys. I hope you had fun watching this. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you next video. Ciao!